How to get 90% off DoorDash coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box, type in DoorDash coupon code, and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, coupon follow. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for DoorDash. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers 40% off, 25% off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, what you can do is copy it, then click on redeem at DoorDash. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for DoorDash. To grab any of the offer, you just have to follow the same exact steps. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also check out this one website, Groupon. This is also the genuine website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for DoorDash. So this way, you can easily get up to 90% off DoorDash coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.